Turtles are known as the lost years because no one knows where they go to once they enter the ocean. We have 7 different species of turtles, and this one in particular is known as the green sea turtle. They belong in the family Chelonidae and are known as green sea turtles not because they are green, but due to their connective tissue and fat. Females nest on the beach 4 to 5 clutches once in every 2 weeks, meaning one clutch after every 2 weeks and so on. Green sea turtles can lay up to 100 to 200 eggs per clutch. Now, the sad part is that only 1% survives in the ocean. What fascinates me is that the sex is determined by the weather. So when it's hot, there's a high chance that the clutch will be female. And when it's cold, it will be the males. Their incubation stage is 45 to 60 days. Green sea turtles are herbivores. However, at the juvenile stage, they feed on invertebrates. This stage makes them vulnerable to predators such as crabs and birds, and sometimes even dogs. They are listed as endangered in the IUCN Red List. And if you want to have an amazing experience and learn, please head to Diani Turtle Watch in Diani.